Hi guys, so today we are creating a weather schedule on make.com. The first thing you want to do is to create a scenario with the plus sign that you're seeing right now. But first, as usual, I have to rename my workflow and I'm naming it simple schedule. Yeah. So after that, you click on this plus sign and then you search for weather as your trigger. Yeah, this is different on make.com because it's already giving us a trigger, which is weather. You don't have to put schedule first and all that. So once you click on weather, you're going to tap on it and then you put it in coordinates, not city. So the reason why we're putting it in coordinates is just to add the numbers like the latitude and longitude to the figures, and that's it. So I just went over to search for latitude and longitude of my location, and that's it. And then you click on save. Once you click on save, you are going to right click on this particular icon, the weather icon, and run that particular module. So once you run it, you have all the details of that location, the weather details for that location for that day. So when that is done, you go back and then that plus sign, you click on it to add another module. And this time around, we're adding Telegram because that's where we want to receive the update. So you just click on Telegram bot and then you choose send a text message or reply. Once you do that, you're still going to click on the Telegram icon in order to fill up the details. I already created my chat bot just like we did in Zapier the last time. Yeah, and what you need to do now is to add your chat ID. The same way you got it in Zapier, that's exactly how you get it. And then you include your text. What do you want to see when the weather update is sent to you? So personally, I just want something simple right now. Dear Esther, this is your weather update for the day, and that's all. So I'll just include a map, what I want, the temperature, humidity and all. At the end of the day, well, it's just the temperature I need. Do you get? So after you're done mapping it and, adding all of these things, your text and your map, whatever you add is what you're going to see in your weather update when it's sent to your Telegram. Do you understand? So you have to ensure that you are putting what you need. So once you do that, you are going to click on save. Click on save. And then you click on this purple sign below that says run once. Do you understand? Run once. You click on it so that your workflow will run. As you can see, it is running. See, green on weather, green on Telegram both. It means that both of them are running smoothly. So let me go to Telegram and confirm if the message dropped. Yep, as you can see, the message dropped. Dear Esther, here's the weather update for the day, and then figure of the temperature, because I ended up using just temperature. So that's just it, basic and simple to use. A lot of people are having problem. I don't know why this Telegram is giving people issues. But trust me, if it gives you issues, just turn off the automation and start all over again and you're going to get it right. Thanks for watching. Bye.